Ever wondered if starting an online store is as easy as clicking a button? Well, many people believe it is, thanks to platforms like Oberlo. But here's the million-dollar question. Is Oberlo actually affordable? Let's dive in and find out. Oberlo's value proposition. Oberlo is a popular platform that simplifies the process of dropshipping. It allows you to find products from suppliers, add them to your online store, and fulfill orders without ever holding inventory. This convenience has made it a go-to choice for many aspiring entrepreneurs. The dropshipping model. Before we get into the costs, let's briefly understand the dropshipping model. In essence, you act as the middleman between the supplier and the customer. You take the order, pass it on to the supplier, and the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This model eliminates the need for upfront inventory costs. The cost breakdown. Oberlo's free plan. Oberlo offers a free plan that provides access to basic features like product searching, importing, and order management. This plan is ideal for those who are just starting out and want to test the waters. Oberlo's paid plans. For businesses that need more advanced features and higher order limits, Oberlo offers paid plans. These plans come with additional benefits such as unlimited product imports, automated order fulfillment, and access to premium suppliers. Subscription costs. The cost of Oberlo's paid plans varies depending on the specific features and order limits you require. It's essential to evaluate your business needs and choose a plan that offers the best value for your money. Transaction fees. While Oberlo itself doesn't charge transaction fees, you'll need to consider the fees charged by your payment gateway, e.g., PayPal, and shipping carriers. These fees can add up over time, so it's important to factor them into your overall costs. Hidden costs and considerations. Product costs. While Oberlo helps you find products, you'll still need to pay the supplier for the products you sell. The cost of products can vary widely, so it's crucial to research pricing and negotiate with suppliers if possible. Marketing costs. To attract customers to your online store, you'll need to invest in marketing efforts. This can include paid advertising, social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and content creation. These costs can be significant, so it's essential to have a well-thought-out marketing strategy. Shipping costs. Shipping costs can vary depending on the product, destination, and shipping carrier. It's important to accurately calculate shipping costs and pass them on to your customers to avoid losing money on each sale. Customer service costs. Providing excellent customer service is essential for building a successful online business. This can involve hiring customer support staff, using customer support software, and responding promptly to customer inquiries. Calculating your ROI. Profit margin. To determine whether Oberlo is affordable for your business, it's important to calculate your profit margin. This is the difference between your revenue and your costs. A higher profit margin indicates that your business is more profitable. Return on investment ROI measures the return on your investment in Oberlo. To calculate ROI, divide your net profit by your total investment in Oberlo. A high ROI indicates that Oberlo is a worthwhile investment for your business. Recap. In conclusion, Oberlo offers a cost-effective solution for starting an online store. While the platform itself is free, you'll need to consider other costs such as product costs, marketing expenses, shipping fees, and customer service costs. Call to action. If you're ready to start your online dropshipping journey, Oberlo is a great place to begin. Sign up for their free plan and explore the platform to see if it's the right fit for your business. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Oberlo or dropshipping in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.